In this quick iPhone 14 tutorial, I'll show you how to use cinematic mode to record professional-looking videos with depth and smooth focus transitions. Let's get started. First, open the camera app on your iPhone 14 or 14 Pro. Now, swipe left on the camera modes until you find cinematic mode. Once you select it, you'll notice the background becomes blurry while the main subject stays in focus, just like a professional camera. Next, point your camera at your subject and tap the screen to set the focus area. When you're ready, press the record button to start filming. The iPhone will automatically shift focus between subjects while recording, giving you that cinematic movie-style effect. You can also tap on different objects while recording to manually change the focus anytime. To stop recording, just tap the record button again. And that's it. Now you know how to turn on and use cinematic mode on iPhone 14 for stunning professional videos. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for more quick iPhone camera tutorials.